right now in India, the latest approval by DCGI is for Covaxin.
Yeah.
So I'll restrict my thing about Covaxin. Covaxin is extremely safe. Whatever studies are done, they have done in 2-year plus children. In fact, this is the first vaccine in the world wherein the results are out for a vaccine in children who are older than 2. For most of the other vaccines, the results are out only for 12-year plus. Covaxin is the first vaccine, is the only vaccine which is approved for 2-year plus children, including Zydus, it's only for 12-year plus. So when it comes to the safety part, yes, it's extremely safe. In fact, in pediatrics, before we talk about efficacy, we talk more about safety. We don't care if the vaccine is not efficacious enough, if we have to choose between efficacy and safety. But we want to be doubly, triply, 100 times sure that it is safe. And that is what exactly Covaxin is about. It is very safe. The only little side effects that have been reported, I've seen the reports from Covaxin submission data. So the only thing is a little local pain can be there. Very rarely, maybe a little fever and body pains. So these are much lower than what all your traditional vaccines for children are, like the DPTs that we give routinely, compulsorily. We give them at 6 weeks, 10 weeks, 14 weeks, and 1.5 years and 5 years, and every 5 years later. So when you compare it with the traditional vaccines that we already have and we are giving children, Covaxin probably has milder symptoms than any other vaccines that we are already taking. It's almost like no symptoms and no issues as far as safety is concerned. The concerns about all the other side effects that the rest of the vaccines have shown in adults, whether it's thromboembolic phenomena, whether it's facial nerve palsies, whether it's post-vaccinal demyelinations and all those, none of those are reported for Covaxin. So it's an extremely safe vaccine. Efficacy-wise also, any efficacy more than 50% is known to be a good vaccine. Anything more than 70%, it's like a stupendous efficacy. And Covaxin claims efficacy above 90%. And with this data, I think to summarize, Covaxin is quite safe in children. Right now, the approval is for 15 to 18-year-olds. And I'm happy that this particular age group is chosen because for 2 reasons again. The first reason is whatever little side, complications or whatever you call seen in COVID infection in children has always happened in teenagers. It was always in children older than 12 years. So that way, and one more important thing is the interruption in education is going to affect the teens more than any other age group. Not only are they facing learning difficulties, there has been a regression in vocabulary, math solving skills, and also because of the extensive social media interaction, there's a lot of increase in suicidal ideation, depression, anxiety, then school dropouts, teenage marriages in the lower social economic thing. All these things are more pronounced in teens. And that is the reason why the teens have to be first immunized first and sent to school and see that their routine comes back to near normal as fast as possible. So I'm happy that the 15 to 18-year-olds are given an opportunity to get vaccinated. I definitely advise all parents to go ahead without any doubt and get their children vaccinated and send them back to school.